I'm going to demonstrate for you how we teach students to solve division problems using partial quotients. Fourth grade, there'll be 1-digit divisors, and fifth grade, it is 2-digit divisors, but the process is still the same. So we set up the problem with the dividend in the radical and the divisor outside of the radical. The first question we ask ourselves is how many times will 4 divide into 1,392 using estimation? So a student might use their knowledge of multiples of 10 to know that 4 times, they might start with like 100, 4 times 200, and probably they would end up using 4 times 300 because that's fairly close to the dividend. So then 4 times 300 equals 1,200. We subtract to see what is left, and we place our partial quotient on the top of the radical, and then we subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2, 9 minus 0 is 9, 3 minus 2 is 1. So then we continue to divide by using estimation. We estimate how many times will 4 go into or divide into 192. Students would then use their knowledge of tens. So 4 times 20, 4 times 30, eventually students might not have to write these groupings out, but as a first step, many students have to. 4 times 40, partial quotients written on top of the radical, subtract to see what is left. 9 minus 6 is 32, and then we're left to estimate how many times will 4 multiply into 32. The answer is 8. That becomes our other partial quotient, and we subtract to get a remainder of 0. So then these are our partial quotients, and to figure out our final quotient, we add them together. So 300 plus 40 plus 8 is 348. So 1,392 divided by 4 equals 348. Once students understand partial quotients, then we move them into the standard algorithm of long division.